What's up, family? So sorry for the terrible lighting, but today we are working in the garage and we are working with the Honda Accord. I also did dye my hair again. I have officially joined Darth Vader onto the dark side for the rest of my life. No, I'm kidding. Today we are going to be working on the ignition knock sensor. It's this little screw that you have to take off like half the engine to get to replace. So I had a bad sensor and I found that out through Blue Driver. So today we're going to be replacing it because I wasted pretty much half my day trying to upload a video with Grant onto YouTube and it is just not working very well. So I'm like, might as well get something done today. So that's what we are doing. Alright guys, so taking a look at this engine right here, the first thing we're going to get started with is taking off this plastic engine cover right over here, which just requires a 10mm socket, and there's these two bolts right over here. Like that. Just like that. Okay, so after the little plastic cover is off, we are going to be taking off the booster hose, and the booster hose is located right over here. So I'm just going to be using my pliers and pinching it like that. There we go. We're doing some more unscrewing like this. There we go. All right, we got some hard to reach areas, but that's okay. My hands, my fingers are pretty tiny, so I'm just unscrewing this so we can detach the whole wiring harness from the manifold. All right, so just like that, you can see it detached. Don't mind the duct tape on my hose, but what's next is I'm gonna basically try to take off this throttle body. So I need an extension real quick. I need to figure out a better place to put you guys because y'all can't see anything. There we go. I do need a new intake hose though, which kind of sucks, but I need to find one. Guys, my 1/2-inch socket was like stuck all the way over there and I finally found it, and thank goodness I found it because I really thought I was about to lose it. But now we are moving on to the 4th hex nut or screw. It's a mixture of both between the throttle body. It's like all the way down there, so I'm gonna try to find a way to get there. Me and Ange just ran to AutoZone because I needed a 5.5mm socket so I can take off the intake hose quite fast because it was taking forever with just some pliers. So this is the clamp that's tightening up the intake hose and we're just gonna take it off. It's off, it's off. Oh, guys, day MF2 and I got it out. I got it out. The throttle body is coming off. I see it. I see it is coming off. Oh my gosh, finally. Oh, it was taking forever. It was like stuck there. My way. I'm so excited. Can you go away? I got it out. I got it out, you guys. You see, this was what was stuck, the throttle body, and it came off day 2. Okay, I was able to get it off. I can't fully take it off because I'm gonna be messing up the coolant lines and I don't want to accidentally unplug them and have a leak. So what I'm gonna do is start unscrewing the manifold so I can take that off. Okay, so somebody in the comments told me that you can just go right through the intake manifold and locate the sensor without having to take the whole throttle body off. And I think that's, no offense, absolutely ridiculous. No matter how many extension cords you have, you probably need the one that goes 90 degrees, in which I don't have. So I do have to take quite a few off. But yeah. Okay, I found the last bolt. So you see, focus, it's that one right there. It's just connected to a bracket so this whole manifold stays in place. So I'm going to be taking that off right now. Bolt off the little bracket right there. Slowly, surely, being really careful. I don't mess up the throttle body. Well, as you guys can see inside of the manifold, there's actually one more bolt that is attached with a bracket. So I'm going to have to unscrew that as well. There we go. What's up, folks? I just got tatted by my manifold. Let me know if you like the new drip. Yeah, that's what's up. I'm just kidding. I'm currently washing this off. I know this video is kind of very messy, especially for some of you guys who've never replaced a knock sensor because you're like, what the heck is going on? But I just wanted to record my process just to show you guys. It's pretty simple. Any of you guys can do it. The knock sensor is located right. Why can't I find it? Oh, Okay, because I was looking through the phone screen, but it's located right here. Do you guys see how there's a wire and you get to the connection right there that connects to the little sensor? You just have to pinch the wire and then pull it out like that. All right, hold up. I lost the replacement. Please let it be in my room. Please let it be in my room. Okay, there it is. Okay. This is a replacement. Looks exactly the same, except it's way less rusty. I'll prop y'all right there. I'm gonna go through these sizes real quick because I might not have the size I need. Let me see if my O2 sensor socket fits. O2 sensor, I actually bought this like last week. This right here. Damn, it doesn't look like it's gonna fit. It doesn't. So it has come to my thought that I think I have a couple sockets in my car, my 350Z. So let's run up to it. I think I have the 13/16 inch one, 13 out of 16, but I don't know the conversion of that to millimeters. Removing this, I think I do, you guys. Let's pray. Let's hope. What's up, you guys? So it's like day 3. It's the AM, and I finally, it wasn't a 24 millimeter socket, it was actually an inch and a 16th. So that is the size of the knock sensor. I had to go to AutoZone twice because I got the wrong size. So yeah, so now we're gonna unscrew the old knock sensor. Almost there. This job should take like not even an hour. There's always something that happens. Ew. This thing is rusty. Look at it. All right, so here's a quick comparison between the two. I'm gonna just place the old one right over here for now, and it rolled under there. But let me just take a second to show you guys how bad the carbon deposits are in my intake manifold. I know that needs some cleaning. I wasn't planning on recording that process where I clean out the intake manifold and change the oil, but if you guys would like a video on that, please let me know and I will make that all in one video. Obviously we're missing the plastic cover, but I cannot put the intake hose back on because I have to get a new clamp for it because this is so rusted, it's literally just chipping off. And then I gotta hook obviously this wire up to this little rubber. I don't know, I think I should just might as well get a whole new intake hose because there's a lot of duct tape on it.